Hello, this is Dale with the Snyder Group here in sunny Las Vegas. What I want to go over today is going to be just the market trends with what we're seeing with home sales. So far this year, if you annualize our sales, we're targeting about 5.1 million sales this year, whereas last year we sold 4.9 million homes. Reasons why we're expecting an increase in sales this year. One, there's more jobs being created nationwide. In fact, unemployment has dropped 2% in Las Vegas. We're down to 12%. Still pretty high, but it's down, so it's positive news. Rise in stock market wealth. The apartment rental rates have been increasing. In fact, in Las Vegas, it's now cheaper to buy a home than it is to rent, so that's increasing sales. Homes are now way below replacement cost. You can get a home as low as $25 a square foot in Las Vegas. Unbelievable. And with an average of about $80 a square foot. So that's motivating people to buy. You know, obviously it's cheaper, much below the replacement cost. Investors are investing in our market as a hedge against inflation. In fact, you know, the cash-on-cash return right now is going to be about 6 to 8% in the most desired areas of the city, with less than 30 days on the market to get a tenant. You can get higher return if you go into other areas of the city as well. Some investors are getting as high as 15% cash-on-cash return. And we have a lot of foreign investors that are buying homes cheap here. With the exchange rate, you know, with the dollar being weak, they're able to get a smoking deal on properties. So we have a lot of the Asian community, Canadians, Australians are buying in our marketplace. Other potential things that should help increase the sales are going to be that the banks are making huge profits now, which that should in turn loosen up their lending restrictions. The short sale process is being streamlined. You know, short sales are now taking maybe 45 to 90 days to get approval, whereas, you know, 3-4 years ago it would take 8 months just to get a denial. And the appraisal issue is becoming less and less. So we're able to turn more inventory because we don't have these short sales just stagnating and setting on the market. We obviously have some issues to get through. You know, the market's recovering, but we do have some issues with distressed properties still coming on the market. That's going to be an issue moving forward, continuing to put downward pressure on the market. The unemployment rate, even though it's going down, it is still high. You know, fuel prices are definitely a concern. But with all that being said, you know, the economy appears to be recovering as a whole. Tourism is up. The traffic through McCarran International Airport is up. I know Southwest is having a record year. Gaming revenue is up. You know, it just makes sense. Vegas is getting back to the basics. It has affordable housing, so there's more incentive for people to move here and buy. And, you know, so things are looking up. If you have more questions, feel free to reach out to me at my website at dalesnyder.net. Thank you for your time, and I appreciate any opportunity that may arise.